Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are on board Calypso. It is a little overcast. The tropical storm having just passed through yesterday, so I'm down here just to check how the boat fared and do a couple of projects. Coming up today we are going to do two separate projects. I think what I will show you today is we're replacing the water system accumulator tank. And that's nothing more than a plastic tank with a bladder inside, and that helps smooth out the freshwater pressure system. When we were on our trip to Maine, as I was doing my daily checks, I checked it out, and it had a little pinhole. It was spraying water, and unfortunately it was spraying water near the batteries, and it was dripping and helping us leak fresh water down into the bilge, which was then being pumped overboard. So I'm going to replace that. And then on our next video, I'm going to show you how I install C-Deck. And remember, if you enjoy the videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the like, and then make sure you smash that thumbs up and the bell, and it lets you know when we have new video content coming out. And remember, we have our brand new website. The link is below, and we have our new shop where we sell not only great t-shirts like this one. This shirt has cruised to Cuddy Hunk, but we also are now a dealer for Mantis anchors, so check that out. If you're looking for a great anchor that digs in like no other, you can order it from us. We can get you a little bit of a discount off of the price that they charge on the Mantis website. But if you want more information, please feel free to check the Mantis website and go to cruisingcalypso.com, and it certainly helps out the channel. As I've said before, any revenues we get from merchandise sales and videos, we donate 5% of that to a couple of great causes, one being the Buzzards Bay Coalition, and the other is the Boat US Foundation. And so please contribute to the channel. Thank you so much. Now let's get on to the video. So here we are in the engine space of Calypso, and the part we are replacing is right back there. I think you can see that it is that torpedo-shaped black tank. It's very small, it's not very big, and it has a couple of water connections to it. However, as I zoom back, you can see it's sort of way in there. So we're going to figure out how we're going to get in there and get to it, get it off, and get it replaced. So I managed to get the tank off, and now I just have to disconnect the one water line that goes to it. Need a couple of wrenches, and then see if I can swap that hardware into the new tank and see what happens. See if I can get that screw in. So here are the two tanks. This one is the one that just came off, and I'm going to line the fittings up with this new one and get it back on. So we were successful with putting the new accumulator tank on. There's not much water in the system now, so there's not a ton of pressure, but I think we got it. There were no leaks, so let's cross that job off the list. So I think we're going to leave that video there, and thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.